Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, April 1st. Very active weather pattern here in the eastern part of the nation. We have a strong cold front approaching the region today. It'll be very warm, unusually warm ahead of the front with muggy conditions, kind of a taste of summer out there this morning. Occasional showers, especially during the midday and afternoon hours. A few isolated strong thunderstorms are possible, especially southeastern portions of the mid-Atlantic region, let's say south and east of the district, for example. Any of these strong thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor later on today could produce some briefly heavy downpours, locally gusty winds. It turns cooler on Saturday as a cooler air mass moves in, but more importantly, there'll be a strong cold front, another one approaching, and it arrives in the mid-Atlantic region later tomorrow night. Winds will pick up dramatically later tomorrow night into early Sunday. The time period between around midnight tomorrow night to about noon on Sunday will be kind of a dangerous period in terms of possible wind gusts that are damaging wind gusts up to 50 or even 60 miles per hour behind this second Arctic cold front coming tomorrow night. Again, that time period is about midnight tomorrow night to about noon on Sunday. Rain showers are possible just about any time during the day on Saturday and early Saturday night. It should become cold enough for potential snow showers late Saturday night, early Sunday morning to go along with those strong northwesterly winds. Again, could gust up to 50 or even 60 miles per hour in some areas along the I-95 corridor. It'll turn milder on Monday ahead of another strong Arctic frontal system that arrives Monday night. Kind of the same situation with rain showers possible Monday into early Monday night, and then it could turn cold enough for snow showers late Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Winds will pick up again behind that frontal system, quite cold on Tuesday. Any one of the mornings from Sunday through Wednesday, that's early Sunday morning, early Monday morning, early Tuesday morning, early Wednesday morning, we could see temperatures at or slightly below freezing, especially in the suburban areas along the big cities in the I-95 corridor. Again, we're going from what feels like summer this morning to some winter-like conditions by late Saturday night, Sunday, and again on Monday night, Tuesday into Wednesday. Let's take a look at the current surface map. Here's cold front number one, strong cold front approaching the eastern seaboard. Some showers breaking out. We'll take a look at the radar in a moment. Certainly can be showers and strong thunderstorms in the region between D.C., Philly, and New York City, especially during the midday and afternoon hours. Notice upstream another cold front, and this is the cold front that arrives in the I-95 corridor Saturday night. And we'll notice that arrival. Winds will pick up dramatically tomorrow night into early Sunday. Well, let's take a look at the latest radar loop, and then we'll focus in on the GFS forecast maps for the upcoming time period. There are showers and embedded thunderstorms across central Pennsylvania all the way down northern Virginia, northern Maryland, into central part of Virginia. Pretty decent area of rain right now moving into the D.C. metro region. Pretty much just in the clear right now in terms of rainfall. Maybe an isolated shower over the next few hours in Philadelphia, New York City. By late morning, midday hours, these occasional showers will move in, and again, any area can be hit by a thunderstorm during the midday or afternoon, and there's a possibility of some strong thunderstorms with locally strong wind gusts and some brief downpours. Well, let's take a look at some GFS forecast maps for the upcoming time period all the way into the early part of next week. These maps are from tropicaltidbits.com. And this is the forecast map using last night's 0Z GFS model run for early this afternoon. Some rain depicted here by green, and there may be a few embedded thunderstorms in this rain event during the midday and afternoon hours. Again, all this as a cold front approaches. Some precipitation here in the form of rain or snow showers upstream associated with that second cold front that arrives in the I-95 corridor on Saturday night. Very warm today ahead of this frontal system. Unusually warm overnight lows, probably record high minimums in some parts of the mid-Atlantic region. Temperatures this morning already well up in the 60s in the I-95 corridor, and the 70s certainly likely by this afternoon. Now let's jump ahead to tomorrow morning's forecast map. That initial cold front moves off the coast, but there will be a low pressure area forming along that frontal boundary. I don't think the GFS is actually quite deep enough with this potential low pressure area. I think there may be some showers in the I-95 corridor just about any time during the day on Saturday. It'll be cooler than today, certainly cooler than today, but not cold yet. That will wait for this next frontal system. Upstream, there's a strong cold front that arrives tomorrow night, and we'll know it because the winds will pick up dramatically. And again, the period from midnight tomorrow night into about noon on Sunday could see some damaging wind gusts up to 50, perhaps even 60 miles per hour. And here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening. A very potent little low pressure area over southwestern part of New York or northwestern Pennsylvania. Again, a very strong cold push of air. Notice these isobars right here behind this frontal system. Very tight indeed. Winds will pick up dramatically out of the northwest in the I-95 corridor late tomorrow evening in the overnight hours. That period from midnight tomorrow night to noon on Sunday could see 50 or even 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Rain showers could very well change to snow showers late tomorrow night, especially north of the Mason-Dixon line, the Pennsylvania-Maryland border, into Sunday morning. Sunday will be a winter-like day, strong winds, especially during the morning hours. High temperatures no better than the low to mid-40s in many spots, and that contrasts with today high temperatures in the mid-70s in parts of the I-95 corridor. Here's the forecast map for Sunday morning. Just look at this pressure gradient in this region right here. Very strong north to northwest winds continuing on Sunday morning. The blue here represents snowfall by the GFS model. There can be a few snow showers in the I-95 corridor region between D.C. and New York City late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Again, more likely north and east of the Mason-Dixon line, but very cold on Sunday. High temperatures struggling to get through the 40s, and in fact may not get past the mid-40s in many spots in the I-95 corridor. Now the winds should relax quite noticeably later Sunday afternoon, especially Sunday night, and any one of these mornings over the next several days from Sunday through Wednesday could see temperatures near the freezing marks. That's early Sunday morning, early Monday morning, and then again early Tuesday and early Wednesday morning following the passage of another strong cold frontal system. And here's the forecast map for Monday morning, and we see the beginnings of that next frontal system right here cutting across the Ohio Valley early Monday morning. It'll turn milder on Monday following that very cold start to the day, but ahead of this next frontal system, winds will shift to a southwesterly direction for a few hours, and temperatures should jump back into the 50s again after a cold start, perhaps near freezing in many areas. Then this frontal system arrives Monday night. Let's now jump ahead and take a look at the next forecast map. And here we go. This is the Monday evening forecast map. That next frontal system right on top of the region between D.C., Philly, and New York City. Another strong front. Winds will pick up later Monday night. Rain showers early. May change to snow showers late. Very cold and windy by the time Tuesday morning rolls around. Again, temperatures confined to the 40s on Tuesday, way below normal for this time of the year. The normal high temperature now in Philadelphia, for example, is 58 degrees. And again, Sunday and Tuesday will be way down in the 40s for highs. And again, near freezing Sunday morning, Monday morning, Tuesday morning, and again, Wednesday morning. By later next week, there's a possibility of a heavy rain event, at least initially, as another cold shot arrives in the east. After the cold frontal passage, temperatures will drop, and it's possible that heavy rain event turns into a snow event for portions of the interior northeastern U.S. More on that as the next several days progress, but a potential major coastal storm by late next week, likely to start in the form of heavy rain in the big cities, but a very active pattern coming over the next 7 to 10 days with numerous Arctic air outbreaks. Summer like today gives way to cooler weather on Saturday and downright cold and windy weather for Sunday, and that cold and windy weather will repeat on Tuesday as well. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.